Today's demand for foundry products is high, and so is the need for productivity improvements. These gains often depend on your ability to eliminate bottlenecks in your cleaning rooms. Yet due to labor shortages, supply chain challenges, and the growing complexity of the castings, it keeps getting harder to finish all the products that you're able to cast, and that impacts your ability to respond to your customers' demands and remain profitable. At Weiler, we believe that it is possible to improve productivity and the operator experience in your cleaning room. That's why we created a line of abrasives designed to deliver maximum performance in foundry applications. Our ceramic and zirconia abrasives can help you grind faster, reduce cycle times, and achieve the highest metal removal rates in the market. These abrasives also reduce operator fatigue because of their superior balance and lower vibration. For decades, Foundry Abrasives technology hasn't changed. It's time for an improvement. Improve your throughput, improve operator experience, and improve your profitability. Schedule a consultation with a Weiler Abrasives expert today, and let's find your improvements. Weiler, done fast, done right.